Hi kids, we are starting a new chapter. Chapter number 15, Unit D, Science and Technology, The Gifts of Science from the book GK 4. So, necessity is the mother of invention. Man creates amazing inventions to improve the comfort and safety of human life in response to the expanding needs of mankind. अगर हमें ज़रूरत पड़ती है किसी चीज़ की तो उसी से हम इन्वेंशन करते हैं. सो देयर इज अ कोट, नेसेसिटी इज द मदर ऑफ इन्वेंशन. ओके, जो मैन होते हैं वो सिर्फ अमेजिंग इन्वेंशन इसलिए करते हैं ताकि हम अपने कंफर्ट को ज़्यादा बेटर कर सकें, राइट? और हम अपनी सेफ्टी के लिए और जो भी हमारी नीड्स बढ़ती जा रही है उन सभी चीज़ों के लिए हम इन्वेंशंस करते रहते हैं न्यू, राइट? Then we have critical thinking. Match column A containing the names of inventors with column B containing the names of inventions. So there is inventor's name and then there is invention's name. So we have to match with each other. Okay. So the first one is Watson Watt, who invented radar. Okay. So I'll write here in this box B. Okay, then second, Johnson's Gutenberg. So, who invented printing press? Okay, so I'll write G here. Then the third one, Edward Jenner, who invented smallpox vaccine, that is H. So, I'll write H here. Okay. Now the fourth one, Blaise Pascal, who invented adding machine. So I'll write here C. Okay. Then the fifth one, Huygens, who invented pendulum clock. So I'll write Q here. Okay. Now the sixth one, Daimler, who invented automobile. So I'll write F here. Okay. Then we have the seventh one, Jacob Perkins, who invented refrigerator. So I'll write here D. Then we have eighth, Alessandro Volta, who invented electric battery. So I'll write E here. Then we have ninth, Graham Bell, who invented telephone. So I'll write N here. Then 10th, Wright brothers, who invented aeroplane. Okay, so I'll write P here. Then there is 11th, John Baird, who invented television. So I'll write O here. Okay. Then we have 12th, Samuel Morse, who invented telegraph code. So I'll write L here. Then 13th, Thomas Alva Edison, who invented gramophone. So I'll write I here. Then we have 14th, Alfred Nobel, who invented dynamite. So I'll write here K. Then we have 15th, Guglielmo Marconi, who invented radio. So I'll write J here. Then we have 16th, James Watt, who invented steam engine. So I'll write M here. Then we have 17th, Charles Babbage, who invented computer. So I'll write S here. Then 18th, Louis E. Waterman, who invented X-ray. So I'll write A here. 18th, Louis E. Waterman, who invented fountain pen. So I'll write T here. Then the 19th one, Roentgen, who invented X-ray. So I'll write A here. Then 20, Macmillan, who invented bicycle. So I'll write R here. Okay. Now we have Infobit. Bhaskara 1 was a 7th century Indian mathematician and astronomer. India's second satellite was named in his honor. तो जो भास्कर 1 थे वो 7th century के इंडियन मैथमेटिशियन थे और एस्ट्रोनॉमर थे. ऑल्सो उन्हीं के नाम पर, उन्हीं के ऑनर में सेकेंड सैटेलाइट का नाम रखा गया. ओके, वी हैव टीचर्स नोट. हेल्प टू द स्टूडेंट्स अंडरस्टैंड द इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ साइंस एंड वेरियस इन्वेंशंस. ओके, so I hope kids you enjoy learning with me. We'll meet in the next class. Bye bye.